dereliction of duty by this government. Your government must do its job, Prime Minister. Do your job. It has long been agreed that legislation is to be developed to facilitate effective spearfishing for violence producers. That has long been agreed, so that they can be taken off the streets and the communities protected from them. That legislation has in the past been referred to as the Enhanced Security Measures Bill. It has been pending for over 3 years. Over 3 years, and Prime Minister, I don't know what you're talking about, saying that we disagreed with something and that has delayed it. I don't believe that to be true. It has been pending for over 3 years, despite being an absolute priority. It is a deliverable of the government to CMOC under the agreement creating CMOC, and it is long overdue and remains outstanding. It has not been brought to Parliament all now, and I have not seen even a draft of it for several years now. This is mismanagement and negligence of the highest order. Violent crime is the greatest problem facing our country. It is sapping the will of the people, draining us of hope for the future. People are living in fear. But this legislative tool, which is to provide a legal procedure to enable violence producers to be detained and effectively dealt with by law, has been dragged out for years, and the government is instead, again, resorting to yet another SOE as an interim measure because of its rank inefficiency and tardiness. This is an unacceptable dereliction of duty by this government. Your government must do its job, Prime Minister. Do your job. I am willing to assist you to have that bill finalized and tabled in Parliament before Christmas. I am willing to put in the hours to help you get it done, since you obviously can't do it yourselves, with the required speed. Jamaica cannot wait for this any longer.
Jamaican people want better.